Everyone, good day. In today's video, this is a short video actually. I will show you how can you check for your backlink of your website for free. Okay, so what is backlink? Backlink means, let's say you have a website. uh, I have a website, so this is my website. It's laravelplug.com. So let's say, for SEO, backlink is very much important. What is backlink? Backlink is, you know when a site when a site your link is available to a site, that is a backlink in simple terms. Okay, let's say uh, google.com, this is a website, and in my website I have, let's say I have given a link to google.com, that is a backlink for google.com from my site. Okay, so Google can call that they have a backlink from my site. Okay, let's say one of the link of my site is available in another site, that is a backlink for my site. So backlink is very much important for ranking, in aspects of ranking. So in many cases you have to manually create backlink, or in many cases that will be natural. When your content is too much good, people will by default link your article in their site. Okay, so I think concept of backlink is clear to you. Okay, so how can you check how many backlink do you have? Let's say this is Hrefs. It's a very much well-known and prominent SEO service provider. Another one is SEMrush, that is another prominent player in this domain. And another one is SEO review tools, which is a combination of small tools for SEO purpose. Okay, so to optimize, check for your backlink of your site, just you go to this link hrefs.com/backlink checker and paste your URL here, and you can count on subdomains also, or you can check for exact URL. Okay, so if you want to know all the backlinks you have, you just need to give this one. Okay, which will wildcard the after slash, and also from beginning if there are any subdomains. So if you want to know the exact backlink of your domain, just give this exact URL. Okay, so I am getting for this subdomains. I will check my backlinks. See, it will show you how many backlinks do you have and how many do follow backlinks. That means they will follow you, which there are two kind of backlinks, do follow and no follow. One backlink is provide value, another one is as far as I know do not have any value. Okay, so do follow is which have value, they are allowed to provide you backlink. And also you can see how many website link to your site. Okay, so you can see for my site it has 160 backlink and 80 linking website, and you can see first 20 or 15 result here. Okay, so another one is SEMrush. Let's see what we have here. So for verification I suggest you to check at least from two sites. So for SEMrush you have to create your account, and you will get 10 free requests. So I will just sign up here. So I am waiting for the result. see is showing how many backlinks do I have. It's showing 588 backlink. As of now for July I have 1626 backlink. Okay, so you can check for other new and lost referring domains, which are lost and which is new, and new and lost backlinks. So as you know, and top anchor links which are linked, you can check the view full report from here. Also you can see the backlink types, is it image, text, etc., and how many of them are follow and no follow, you can see for that. And you can also see countries also. Okay, so I think this is a very much detailed here, but as it is a paid tool, I will get only up to 10 requests in free package. Okay, and third one is backlink checker. If you check here, let's perform a check. So you can see external backlink is 1.63, and you can see the referring domains also. Okay, so you can see in details. Also you can see a domain authority which links to you, and you can see the domain authority of these sites. Okay, so domain rating is also important, which site are ranking to you. If it's in normal sense, it is greater. If the site is greater than 30, it's a good backlink for you. Okay, otherwise this doesn't have much value. Okay, so I hope for the basic understanding of backlink, this video will be very helpful to you. I will see you in next one. Bye.